it's Jessica from Expressions Vinyl, and today I have really simple, fun project for you to do with the pattern vinyl. Now these vinyls are from August Mystery Box. The prints are so fun. I love them so much. Okay, I got a couple blanks. This guy is from Target, and you might be wondering what in the world we're doing with this. Funny story, my son, he's 19. He wasn't super happy to be going to Target with me, and we had kind of got into it before we went in the store. And when you walk in, there's the dollar section. This was sitting there, and so I grabbed it, knowing that I wanted it for this project, but he didn't know why I wanted it. And he's like, "Mom, why are you buying that?" And I was like, "Well, honey, I want you to tell me what your feelings are right now." Anyway, really funny moment. Anyway, I want to show you what I'm actually going to do with this. I think this is a super fun board, but I'm going to cover it up because how cute would this make for like a little picture board or something to stick notes on? Like, it's just so cute, and these patterns just go with that wood so well. I'm having a hard time deciding which pattern to use. Also, something else I want to show you is to make a custom fun notebook. These composition notebooks are so cheap, especially just before school, and how fun to just cover that really easy and make a really cute personalized notebook. You could put subject across in vinyl or the name or a quote or something really fun. Okay, let me show you how I'm going to do these. These are so quick and easy. I think I want to do the notebook with the celestial, and we'll use the butterflies, the butterfly moon on this hanging sign. So I am going to get my app tool. I'm going to start at one corner. I'm going to peel that up, and I am going to tear off, or you could use scissors and cut off that backing sheet a little bit. So I rip that off. Okay. And then we are just going to line this up. And I just want that corner to just be the tiniest bit sticky. I don't want the rest to be sticky, or it would be so hard to lay down and you'd get bubbles. And I do have this going off the edge a bit. You'll see I've got it going off the edge on both sides. We are going to trim this. And we're going to do another trim too, but see our boot chunk there. Trim this. Trim off those excess pieces, make it a little easier to work with. Okay, now we're going to lift it up and peel away that backing. Make sure it's all coming up here. There we go. Peel away a little bit, and I don't want to peel it all off of it right now. I just want to get it started. And then we're going to flip this back over. And with our app tool, just start to lay that down. Looks like we've already got a couple wrinkles, so I'm going to lift this back up. Okay. And then with our app tool, we're just going to lay that down. And just slowly peel off that backing while we're laying it down with the app tool. This makes it so we don't get bubbles and wrinkles. Get it to that edge at the bottom. Okay. Take the rest of that backing thing off, backing paper. Make sure it's nice and creased. And then I'm just going to take my knife. You could use an X-Acto knife. This is just a box cutter. And cut that away. Got a nice clean edge there. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over and just do the same thing. Trim that along the edge. So easy. Such a quick, fun, easy project. You could get some cute washi tape and put some Polaroids on this, or you could put a quote on the top of it. You could even use some little pieces of vinyl to stick your cute Polaroids on. I just thought it would be such a cute little wall hanging and so easy to do. Okay, now our notebook, same thing. We're just gonna start at the corner. Peel this off. You want to make sure just you're cutting through the backing, not the vinyl. Just to give you a nice sticky edge to start with. And I'm only worrying about lining it up with this edge right here. Getting it nice and even. Okay. Now, we're going to flip it over. You want to take your time with this. Go nice and slow. It's a little tricky to get it started, but once you get going, it just lays down and it's super easy. So just pull that backing. On the other side, we're rubbing it down with our app tool. Okay. And I could have gotten lined up a little better so I wasn't wasting so much on the edges. So you're just trimming off a little bit. Okay. Flip it over, and how cute is this notebook now? Oh my gosh, I love that celestial pattern. This one is the grid one. I use it for my crocheting, so it's gonna be like my crocheting notebook. I might put a fun little quote on this. You could put the subject if you had this for a certain subject. Or somebody's name. You could use this as a cute little journal. Anyway, I just like that technique for the pattern to personalize any notebook. You could do it with a journal if you didn't like the cover of it or whatever you wanted. So 2 really quick projects with the pattern.